Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of swimming. Hey everyone, ready to dive into a world of energy, fitness, and fun? Today, we're exploring the cool and refreshing world of swimming. It's not just for Olympic athletes or summer vacations. Swimming is your ticket to a healthier life. What are you waiting for? Let's jump in. Swimming is an amazing full-body workout, and the best part? It doesn't even feel like one. Whether you're doing laps or just splashing around with friends, you're working on your cardiovascular health, boosting endurance, and building strength. Swimming offers a full-body workout with numerous health benefits, making it an ideal exercise for people of all ages and fitness levels. It improves cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart and lungs, reducing the risk of heart disease, and enhancing endurance. The low-impact nature of swimming is gentle on the joints, making it a great option for individuals who are obese. Science tells us that swimming, a low-impact exercise, is fantastic for joint health. So, if you're worried about aches and pains, water is your friend. Swimming also helps to tone and strengthen muscles across the body, from the core to the arms and legs. It promotes flexibility, balance, and coordination. The water's resistance helps burn calories, supporting weight loss or maintenance while minimizing strain on the body. Beyond physical health, swimming can have mental health benefits. The rhythmic, meditative nature of swimming helps reduce stress and anxiety, while also boosting mood by releasing endorphins. It's an excellent way to improve sleep quality and manage mental fatigue. Not convinced yet? Swimming releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that elevate your mood and reduce stress. It's like giving your mind a mini spa day. Plus, it's great for building flexibility and improving posture. Plus, the inclusiveness of swimming is unbeatable. It's suitable for all ages and skill levels. But wait, there's more. Regular swimming can also improve lung capacity and enhance breathing efficiency. Your heart and lungs will thank you. Whether you're a senior doing water aerobics or a child experiencing the thrill of floating for the first time, swimming is accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Our fondest memories of swimming with friends and family last a lifetime. Swimming in a pool or open water, regular practice supports overall health, boosts energy levels, and can be a fun and social activity that contributes to lifelong well-being. The calorie burn is way more than other forms of exercise. Athletes often incorporate swimming into their routines to up their stamina game. Great for cross-training. Swimming complements other forms of exercise like running or cycling, helping improve flexibility, endurance, and overall body conditioning. Fun and social. Swimming can be enjoyed solo or with friends and family, making it a fun activity that doesn't always feel like exercise. Plus, swimming at the beach, lake, or pool can create wonderful social and recreational experiences. Thinking about diving in, but don't know where to start? Check out local swimming classes, invest in a good swimsuit, and don't forget the sunscreen if outdoors. Swimming can be enjoyed solo or with friends and family, making it a fun activity that doesn't always feel like exercise. Consistency is key. So make a splash in your weekly routine and watch how it transforms your health. So there you have it, folks. Swimming is your gateway to a healthier, happier you. The content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult a healthcare professional before making any health decisions. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching.